So list is already there, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Part and point conductor, no concern. Location of take post take. This is not a concern here. This is AOP for other project. We'll remove it. Cable routing, will remove it.
No, cable routing is there, right?
No.
Cable
Yeah,
routing is there.
Electrical, yes, correct. So
No, delete that. No, you can put
the new cable trench. Let me put it here. I will make it different color. So there was something cable routing. Demolition was there. Electrical cable. Yeah. Ensure that will. So this will be there. APG contractor. Cable trench. This will go now yellow. Yellow, correct. So earthing bonding, no major concern. Electrical system testing, no other concern. Cable removation, no other concern. For instrumentation, no additional concern related to the cable routing. As present will be the existing route. Ensure is protected. Yes. So during the new cable, this will be done by EPC contractor. And earthing bonding, no concern. Instrument cable testing, no concern. Cable termination, no concern. Junction by access, no concern. RIO. Anything related to RIO? No, no.
No, not for this one. Yeah.
This one? Yeah, this you have taken. Modification. Bob,
Yeah.
this will be done. Installation of new reactor. This
Yes.
no, this is in a Bob area or
Bob you remove. Asab area.
delete Bob. Yeah.
okay. So this recommendation we have taken as per the suggestion of Rakesh. This will be still applicable. And the project interfaces that's discussed by Salman. So this we have kept it. So guys, with this we have seen all the guidelines.
How many recommendations here, Chairman? Just to put
yes, yeah, sure. Just I will show you all the recommendations. So if you see here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 recommendations, Rakesh.
Mainly some recommendations are repeated, so you don't duplicate the, keep the same number. So maybe it will come around 9 or 10, I don't know, but okay.
I will put the number here so that you understand. Yeah, sure. That I will do after the workshop, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So thank you very much. I think it's 10:45 or 10:50. So can we come back at 11:05 for Simos?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Rakesh?